I come from Bến Tre City, which is a tranquil area and not too far from here, just about 80 kilometers. It is known as the land of coconut since there are a lot of coconut trees there. My hometown has peaceful landscapes and friendly people who are always willing to give you a hand whenever you need it. Besides that, there is a variety of special dishes such as cơm tấm, bánh canh, and so on, which are really worth trying. Compared to other cities in Vietnam, Bến Tre is relatively smaller. It can accommodate about 250,000 people. However, its facilities and infrastructure are up to date, which makes people's lives convenient. In the future, the government will have some policies making my hometown become a larger city. As a result, people can live more comfortably and enjoy a better life. I really love my hometown. I like the peaceful atmosphere as well as the fresh air here. People can simply find and enjoy a lot of special dishes in my hometown. Furthermore, the cost of living and prices of goods in Bến Tre are considerably affordable. Its residents are hospitable as well. For these reasons, I cannot say I do not like my hometown. There are various things that I love about my hometown, and the best thing is the people. If you have a chance to go to Bến Tre, you can see that its residents are absolutely friendly. They always warmly say hello to you, even if you are strangers. In addition, when you want to go to sightseeing here, they will show you directions and introduce a lot of interesting activities. Although Bến Tre City is my lovely hometown, it is not ideal to settle in. It doesn't have too many recreation areas as well as public spaces, which means that residents cannot relax when they want. In the future, I will move to other prosperous metropolitan areas such as Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang City, since these places are more developed. In bigger cities, I can easily follow lucrative careers and have a better living standard.